car. I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, I got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to lose. I got nothing to lose. We got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. Been working at the convenience store. Managed to save a little bit of money. I won't have to drive too far. Cross the border and into the city. You and I both get jobs. Finally see what it means to be living. Finally see you. I remember we were driving in your car. Speed so fast, I feel like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us. Arm felt nice right around my shoulder. I had a feeling that I belonged there. I had a feeling I could be someone. I had a feeling that I belonged there. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone. He's too old for working. His body's too young to look like his. My mama went off and left him. She wanted more from life than he could give. I said somebody's gotta take care of him. So I quit school, that's what I did. Thank you. That's what I did, yeah. I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us. All felt nice right around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged there. I had a feeling I could be someone else. I had a feeling that I belonged there. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone with you. I could be someone with you, with you. You got a fast car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? We gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way. I remember we were driving in your car. Speed so fast, I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us. All felt nice right